Hello everyone, and welcome to today's episode of 7 Energy's Holistic channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about the most healthy types of diets. With so many diets to choose from, it can be overwhelming to decide which one is right for you. In this video, we'll go over some of the most widely recognized healthy diets to help you make an informed decision. Mediterranean diet. The Mediterranean diet is a plant-based eating pattern that emphasizes whole foods, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, and healthy fats like olive oil. This diet is based on the eating habits of people living in the Mediterranean region and has been shown to improve heart health, reduce the risk of chronic diseases, and even promote weight loss. DASH diet. The DASH diet, or dietary approaches to stop hypertension, is a scientifically proven diet that can help lower blood pressure and improve heart health. This diet is low in sodium and high in potassium, calcium, and magnesium, all of which are known to help regulate blood pressure. Flexitarian diet. The Flexitarian diet is a flexible and balanced diet that emphasizes plant-based foods, but allows for small amounts of animal products. This diet is a great option for anyone looking to eat healthier and reduce their meat consumption, while still enjoying the occasional serving of chicken, fish, or beef. Whole30. The Whole30 is a short-term diet that emphasizes whole, nutrient-dense foods, and eliminates processed foods, sugar, alcohol, and certain food groups for 30 days. This diet is designed to help reset your eating habits and improve your relationship with food. Vegetarian diet. The vegetarian diet is a plant-based eating pattern that eliminates all animal products, including meat, poultry, fish, and dairy. This diet can be a great option for those looking to improve their health, reduce their environmental impact, and promote animal welfare. Pescatarian diet. The pescatarian diet is a plant-based eating pattern that allows for fish and other seafood, but eliminates meat and poultry. This diet is a great option for those looking to eat healthier and reduce their meat consumption, while still enjoying the health benefits of seafood. That's it for today's episode on the most healthy types of diets. We hope you found this information helpful and that you'll consider trying one of these diets. Remember, what may be considered a healthy diet for one person may not necessarily be healthy for another, so it's important to consult a medical professional or registered dietitian for personalized recommendations. If you have any questions or would like to see more videos like this, be sure to leave a comment below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.